This experiment is about reaction of metal with acid. First we will take water in a container and add soap into it, forming a soap solution. Then for the metal we have taken zinc, and for the acid we have taken hydrochloric acid. First we will collect some of the zinc metal granules and put it in a test tube. Next we will add hydrochloric acid to it. We will see that as soon as the acid is added, the reaction will start immediately, and we can see a lot of heat coming out of it as it is an exothermic reaction. Then to streamline the flow of gas, we will fit a M tube to the test tube, keeping one end of the M tube open. Then we will bring our previously made soap solution to the open end of the M tube, and we will see the formation of bubbles. Because metals, when they react with acids, they form hydrogen gas, and hydrogen gas forms bubbles because of its low solubility. Next, we will bring a burning candle near to the soap solution, and because of the burning candle, the heat will be formed, and because of the heat, the hydrogen will react with the oxygen in the atmosphere, and it will burn by making a pop sound.